Okay. Take up, that is 4.5 exercise of question number 12. Solve the system of equations using the matrix method. Right? That is a 5 marks question. They are asked in the 2014 annual examination. Okay. See here, they are given linear equation here. Right? What is the linear equation? That is x minus y plus z is equals to 4. 2x plus y minus 3z is equals to 0. X plus y plus z is equals to 2 now. Right? This is the what here given linear equation now. We know that what is the matrix method? That is x is equals to A inverse into B now. X is nothing but what? Variable matrix. B is nothing but what? Constant. We have to find out first one the A inverse now. What is the A inverse for the given question now? Right? Okay. Take up, that is the A is equals to now A now. What is the meaning of A? What is the meaning of A? What is the meaning of A? Coefficient of x, y, z now. What is the x coefficient here? 1. What is the y coefficient? Minus 1. What is that coefficient? 1 now. Right? Same as it is again second row, that is 2. 1 minus 3 now. Right? Next third row, 1, 1, 1 now. Right? It is which matrix here? Coefficient of x, y, z matrix now. Then take up another one is x now. X is equals to, what is the meaning of x? Variables. How many variables here? X, y and z variables. Take this x, y and z variables is equals to again, that is matrix B now. What is the B meaning? Constants. What are the constants here? 4, 0, 2 now. Take it is a 4, 0, 2 now. 4, 0, 2. Right? We know that the what is the matrix method equation, that is x is equals to A inverse into B now. Right? Okay. We have to find out which answer here first. A inverse answer now. We know that what is A inverse formula? 1 divided by determinant of A into, that is the adjoint of A now. Adjoint of A. Right? First find out the determinant here. Take determinant of A is equals to, expanding along the R1 now. Right? Take it is a A11 element is a positive. Delete first row, first column. 1 1 are 1. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus plus. 1 3 are 3 now. Right? Next A12 element is positive or negative? Negative. Adu negative multiply madu. Minus into minus plus 1 into. Delete first row, second column. Then 2 1s are 2. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus plus. 1 3s are 3 now. Right? Take next up. A13 element is a positive now. Right? That is a plus 1 into delete first row, third column. Then elements are these 4 elements here. 2 1s are 2. Plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus. 1 1s are, that is 1 now. Right? Determinant of A is equals to 1 into 1 plus 3 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 5 plus 1 into 2 minus 1 1 now. So therefore determinant of A is equals to 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 1s are 1 now. 5 plus 1 plus 4, that is determinant is what? 10 now. Right? Now we know that now the given matrix is a non-singular matrix. Non-singular is ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? A inverse is exist ಆಗ್ತದ ಅಂತ ನಾವು. Right? Take up, that is A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A now. Determinant value is 10 now. We have to find out the adjoint of A now. What is the adjoint of A? Adjoint of A meaning transpose of cofactors of the matrix is said to be adjoint. Take it is a cofactors now. Take A11. A11 into the positive. That is A11 is positive, A12 negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, alternate. Okay. Take up A11 now. Right? A11 is a positive. Delete which row, which column? First row, first column. Delete here, first row, first column. ಏನಾಯ್ತಿದ್ದು 1 1s are 1. Right? Minus, plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. 1 3s are 3. 1 plus 3 4 now. A11 cofactor is That is a 4 now. Right. Take up A12 now. A12 is positive or negative? This one is a negative into. Delete first row, second column. First row, second column. Then 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Next plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. 1 3s are 3 now. Okay. 2 plus 3, 5. Which 5? Minus 5 now. Minus 5. Right. Take up A13 element. A13 is equals to. A13 element is positive. Better. Delete first row, third column. Then 2 ones are 2 minus. 1 ones are 1. What is that answer? That is 2 minus 1 is equals to what? That is 1 now. Right. Take up second row elements now. That is a 2 1 element. A21 is positive or negative? Negative. Take this negative into. Delete second row. First column minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Better. Plus into plus 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 into minus now. 1 ones are 1. What is the term? Minus 1. Minus 1 is equals to minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 into minus plus 2. That is the what is the answer here? Plus 2 now. Right. Take up A22. A22 is positive now. A22 is positive. Delete second row, second column. Then 1 ones are 1 minus 1 ones are 1 now. But what is the answer? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 meaning 0. Right. Take up A23 here. A23 is equals to A23 is positive or negative? Negative. Better. Take negative here. Delete the second row, third column. Then elements are 1 ones are 1. Okay. Plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus 1 ones are 1. 1 plus 1 2. Which 2 here? Back side. It is minus 2. Right. Next one. Take this A31 now. A31. A31 is positive or negative? A31 positive or negative? Positive now. Delete third row. Third row, first column. Then minus into minus, plus 1 3s are 1 3s are 3. Right. Plus into plus 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 into minus minus 1 ones are 1. 3 minus 1 2. 3 minus 1 2. Which 2? Plus 2 only. Right. Then A32 is a negative now. Delete delete third row, second column. Then 1 into minus 3. That is minus 3. Right. Minus 2 ones are 2 now. Right. See here. Minus 3 minus 2. Minus 5. Minus 5 into minus plus 5. Plus 5. Right. Last one, that is A33. A33 is a positive now. Delete third row, third column. Then these are the 4 elements now. Right. 1 ones are 1. Right. Plus into minus, minus, minus into minus. That is plus now. 2 ones are. That is 2. Right. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. That is 3 now. These are the what cofactors now. Take up. A is equals to now. A is equals to, right, or take this adjoint of A is equals to now, right, or maybe take this only cofactor now. Cofactor matrix A is equals to, write down elements of 4 minus 5, next 1, okay, next 2 0 minus 2, next 5 3 1 now, 5 3 1, sorry 2 5 1, okay, take it is 2 5 3 now. Okay, 2 5 3 now. 2 5 3 now. It is which matrix? Cofactor matrix. Correct? Now transfer this one. The transpose of cofactors of the matrix is said to be adjoint. Correct? Now take it is adjoint of A is equals to transfer now. Right? First row becomes first column. Correct? 4 minus 5 1. Second row becomes the second column. That is 2 0 minus 2. Third row becomes third column. 2 5 3 now. 2 5 3. Now it is which matrix is over? Adjoint of A is over now. Right. Take it is inverse now. Right. We know that A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant A meaning 10. Write down. That is 1 divided by 10 into what? Into adjoint of A. Adjoint of A meaning same only. 4 2 2. Next minus 5 0 5. Next 1 minus 2 3 now. Right. It is which answer? It is which answer? A inverse answer. Right. Take up matrix method condition here, that is x is equals to, that is A inverse into B now, right? X meaning variables x, y, z are the variables is equals to 1 divided by inverse only lega 1 by 10 into 4 2 2 minus 5 0 5 next 1 minus 2 3 now. It is which answer? Which answer? A inverse answer now, right? Take again A inverse into B now. B meaning constant matrix, that is constant values here, right? What are the constant values of 4 0 2 now, right? Take it is 4 0 2 now, 4 0 2, right? Then x y z keep as it is, x y z keep as it is equals to 1 by 10 again as it is into now, right? Multiplication ಬಾಳ ಮಂದಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇವೆ. It is how many column? 3 row 3 column. It is 3 row 1 column. Then A inverse into B is answer of which row which column? It consists of 3 rows 1 column. That okay. Now take it is a first row first column, right? 4 4s are 16, 2 0s are 0, 2 2s are 4. First row first column is over now. Take second row first column, that is A21 element. A21 element minus 5 into 4 minus 20, 0 into 0 0, or 2 5s are 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 10 now, right? Plus into plus 1 4s are 4, minus into plus minus 2 zeros are 0, 3 2s are 6 now. So therefore that is x y z is equals to, that is 1 divided by 10 into now, right? 16 plus 4 that is 20. Next minus 20 plus 10 minus 10 now, minus 10, and 6 plus 4 again it is 10 now, right? Take x y z, okay, x y z as it is now, x y z is equals to, that is 1 by 10 multiplied for all the elements now. It becomes 2 by 10. Next minus 10 by 10. Next that is 10 by 10 now. So therefore then x y z is equals to now, right? 10 ones are 10 twos are 10 ones are 10 ones are, there is minus 1. It is also 1 ones are 10 ones are 10 ones are get cancelled now. So therefore the value of x is 2, the value of y is minus 1, the value of z is what here? That is 1 now, right? Wait for it. Verify the answer now. Take up any one equation here. Take this one equation, x plus y plus z meaning ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು 2 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Take it is x plus y plus z is equals to what? 2 now. Substitute all the x y z values here. X meaning 2, y meaning that is minus 1, z meaning that is plus 1, that see here plus 2 plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. That is answer is what here? 2 is equals to 2 now. So therefore the x y z is verified now. Okay. Now the answer is what here? Correct. Okay. Right now. Okay, take up question number 11. Solve the system of equations using the matrix of method now, right? If their given equation is 2x plus y plus z is equals to 1, x minus 2y minus z is equals to 3 by 2, and 3y minus 5z is equals to 9 now, right? First write down, there is matrix A. Matrix A is equals to, what is the meaning of matrix A? Coefficient of x, y, z now. Okay. What is the x coefficient here? Plus 2. Here plus 1 plus 1. Here plus 1. It is a minus 2 and it is a minus 1. Right? They are not given x term here. Right? They are not given x term, meaning take in this place 0 now. That is 0x meaning. Right? Y coefficient 3. Z coefficient that is a minus 5 now. Okay. Take again x is equals to, x meaning variables that x y z now, right? Next b is equals to, b meaning constants, that is 1, that is 3 by 2 and it is 9 now. Okay, right? Take up first find out We know that that is determinant x is equals to A inverse into B is a matrix method. A inverse formula is 1 divided by determinant of A into, that is the adjoint of A now, right? First find out what is the determinant. Okay, determinant of A is equals to now, right? A11 is positive or negative? Positive. That is 2 into first row first column delete here, minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10. Next up plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus 3 1s are 3. Okay, A12 element is negative, take this minus 1, delete first row second column, 1 into minus 5 minus 5 minus 0 into minus 1 0, neglect here, right? Plus A13 element is positive now, that is 1 3 element is plus 1, delete first row third column, 1 3s are 3, got 1 3s are 3 minus 0 into 2, that is 0 now, right? Then determinant of A is equals to 2 into 10 plus 3 13. Okay, minus 1 into, that is minus 5. Okay, plus 1 into 3 minus 0, that is 3 now, right? Then determinant of A is equals to 13 2s are 26, minus into minus plus 1 5s are 5 plus 1 3s are 3 now, right? Then determinant of A is equals to 26 plus 5 plus 3, it becomes what here? 34 now. No doubt determinant of A is that is not equals to 0. The determinant is not equals to 0, meaning A inverse exists now, correct? A inverse ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? ಏನು ಬೇಕು? Adjoint ಬೇಕು, correct? Take it is the adjoint now. A11 is positive or negative? Positive, correct? Delete first row first column, first row first column, minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10, correct? That is the 10 now, right? Plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus 3 1s are 3, 10 plus 3 is 13 now, right? A11 is over. Go for A12 now. A12 is positive or negative? Negative. Delete first row second column, 1 into minus 5 minus 5 minus 0 into 1, that is 0, right? See here, minus 5 minus 0 minus 5 though. Minus 5 backside again 5 minus it becomes what here? Plus 5 now, right? Take up A13 now. A13 is positive here. Delete first row third column, 1 3s are 3 minus 0 2s are 0 now, 3 minus 0, that is the 3 now, right? Go for what up? Second row elements now, right? This one is what here? A21, got up? A21 is positive or negative? Negative. Delete second row first column, then 1 into minus 5 minus 5 minus 3 1s are 3. What is the term? Analytically complete again. Minus 5 minus 3 minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 minus 8 backside again minus it becomes what? Plus 8. It becomes plus 8 now, right? Next A22 is positive or negative? Positive. Delete second row second column, then corner elements are there. 2 into minus 5 minus 10, right? 0 into 1, that is 0 now, right? Minus 10 plus 0, that is minus 10 only, right? Take up A23 element now. A23, right? That is A23 is positive or negative? Negative. Delete second row third column, then 2 3s are 6 minus 0 into 1 0, correct? What is the answer? 6 minus 0, right? It is which 6? Minus 6, correct? Next one A31 now. Go for what here? Third row. A31, delete third row first column, then 1 into minus 1. A31 is positive or negative? Positive, no doubt. Okay, now it is positive here, right? Third row first column, 1 into minus 1 minus 1, right? Minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus 1 2s are 2. See here, 2 minus 1 1, which one? Plus 1, right? Next up A32 is positive or negative? Negative. A32 is a negative. Delete third row second column, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, right? Minus 1 1s are 1 now, 1 1s are 1 is equals to minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 backside again minus it becomes what here? Plus 3 now. Take this last one A33 is a positive. Delete third row third column, then these are the what here elements now. 2 into minus 2 minus 4, minus 4, right? 1 1 za 1, which one? That is a minus 1 now, right? Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. These are the what? These are the cofactors. Got up? Take up cofactor matrix here. That is matrix cofactor matrix A is equals to A11, that is 13, 5, next that is 3 now. Next one 8 minus 10, next that is minus 6 now, minus 6. Okay, next 1 3, 1 3, that is minus 5 now, right? We know that adjoint of A meaning transpose of cofactors of the matrix now, right? Take a transpose here, right? Matrix, that is a cofactor matrix A becomes adjoint now. Adjoint of AI, right? Now change the what here? Row to column now. That is 13, 5, and 3 is the first column. Second row becomes second column. That is 8 minus 10. Next minus 6 is the second column. Third row becomes third column. That is 1 3, 1 3. That is a minus 5 now. It is which answer here? It is which answer? Adjoint answer now, right? Take direct. Okay. A inverse go down. A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant formula here. That is 1 divided by determinant of A. Determinant value 34. Take this 34, right? Into adjoint of A now. They are told again it is adjoint of A. Adjoint of A meaning right now same matrix. That is 13, 8, 1. Next 5 minus 10. That is 3. Next 3 minus 6. And it is minus 5 now. Okay, we start. Right, take up next one is that is matrix method. X is equals to what is A inverse into B now. X is equals to A inverse into B. X meaning variable. Right? Take it is variables here. X, Y, Z variables is equals to A inverse answer here only. Right? Take up 1 divided by 34 into adjoint now 13, 8, 1. Next 5 minus 10 3. Next 3 minus 6 that is minus 5 now. It is A inverse answer is over. Write down again here into B. Into B meaning that is constants now. 1 3 by 9 and that is 3 by 2. Okay, that is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 and it is 9 now. Okay, so fraction wait focus again. Take that is again x y z as it is equals to 1 divided by 34 into now into delete sorry multiply first row first column, second row first column, third row first column, cut up. Then answer becomes here 13 ones are 13. Okay, plus into plus plus 8 threes are 24 divided by this one 2 as it is. Plus 1 9s are 9 now. Cut up. Next up, take this second row first column. 5 1s are 5. Minus into plus minus. 10 3s are 30 divided by 2. Next up plus 3 9s are 27. Okay. Third row first column. 3 1s are 3. Okay. Minus into plus minus. 6 3s are 18 divided by 2 now. Right, minus into plus minus 5 9s are 45 now. Right, then x y z okay, then x y z is equals to 1 divided by 34. Keep as it is into now. Simplify this one. Right, 13 as it is. Okay, 24 by 2 meaning 12. 12 are 2 ones are 2 12s are in plus 12. Okay, that is minus plus 9 as it is now into. Okay, this one the 5 as it is minus 2 ones are 2 15s are that is minus 15. Again plus 27 as it is. Next 3 minus 2 ones are 2 9s are 1 2 9s are minus that is 45 now. Right, then x y z is equals to 1 divided by 34 as it is into now. Right, take up 13 plus 12 plus 9. 13 plus 12 plus 9 answer 34. That take this 34 now. Next one 15 minus 10. 15 minus 10 10 is minus 10. Minus 10 plus 27 Plus that is 17 now, right? Next one, the 3 minus 9 minus 45. Answer is 50 minus 51 minus 51 now. Okay, that is a determinant of matrix x y z as it is x y z as it is into now, right? Now divide 34 for all the terms. It becomes what here? 34 by 34 divided by 34. This one what? 17 by 34. This one what? Minus 51 by 34 now. Divide 34 for all the elements now, right? Then x, y, z is equals to, right? Take it is a 34 get cancel 1. Next 17 ones are 17 twos are. What is answer here? 1 by 2. It is a 17 twos minus 3 divided by 2 now. 17 twos are 73 are now. So therefore x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1 by 2 and z is equals to what here? Minus 3 by 2 now. Right? Exactly answer correct decide ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರ x value, y value, z value substitute in the given any three equations then it becomes verified. Okay, right. Right, take up that is question number 13. Solve the system of equations using the matrix method. Right, this one is what here 5 marks question. They are asked in examination 2015, 2020 now. Right, 4 times in our annual examination. Okay, take up 13th one, the matrix A now. Okay, matrix A is equals to, we know that A matrix meaning the coefficient of x, y, z now. But x coefficient 2, y coefficient 3, z coefficient 3 now. Right, amala x coefficient 1, y coefficient minus 2, z coefficient 1 now. Right, this one is 3 and this minus 1 now. It is minus 2 now. Right, okay, now this which matrix is over? Coefficient of x, y, z is over now. Right, then go for what? X matrix now. X is nothing but what? Variables. How many variables there? 3 variables. X, y, z now. Okay, and B now. B meaning the constants now. What are the constants? 5 minus 4 3 now. 5 minus 4 3 now. Right, we know that it is x is equals to A inverse into B is a matrix method now. Before that we have to find out A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A into that is the adjoint of A now. Right, then first find out what is the determinant of A now. Determinant of A is equals to, right, delete that is A11 is positive. Delete first row first column, minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Right, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus 1 1s are 1 now. Okay, A12 is positive or negative? Negative. Take this minus 3. Delete first row second column, then 1 into minus 2 minus 2 plus into plus 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 into minus minus 3 1s are 3 now. Right, A13 element is positive. Now this take plus 3 into delete first row third column, then 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus into minus 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 into minus that is plus now. 3 2s are 6 now. Right, then determinant of A is equals to that is 2 into 4 plus 1 5 minus 3 into minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 6 that is 5 now. Right, the determinant of A is equals to 2 5s are 10 minus into minus plus 3 5s are 15 again 3 5s are 15. Right, the determinant of A is equals to 10 plus 15 plus 15 is equal, answer is what here? 40. No doubt. Now the determinant value is non-singular, so therefore A inverse is exists now. Right, first find out that is cofactor now. Okay, take A11 is positive or negative? Positive. That is plus now. Delete first row first column, minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4 minus into plus minus minus into minus plus 1 1s are 1 now. 4 plus 1 that is 5. Okay, A11 is over. Go for what? A12 here. Okay. A12 is equals to A12 is negative. Right? First row, second column. Then 1 into minus 2. Minus 2 plus into plus 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 into minus minus 3 ones are 3. Right? See here. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. Minus 5 backside again manka minus ada. ಏನು ಬರೆಯುವ? Plus 5 now. Right? Next A13 now. A13 is positive. Delete which row, which column? First row, third column. First row, third column. Then 1 into minus 1. Minus 1. Okay. Plus into minus. Minus. Minus into minus. Plus 3 to za. That is 6 now. Minus 1 plus 6. Minus 1 plus 6 meaning 5 only. 5 plus 5. Right. Next take this A21. A21 is positive or negative? Negative. Delete second row. First column now. Okay. Second row, first column. Then 3 into minus 2. Minus 6. Minus into plus. Minus. Minus into minus. Plus. Right. 1 3 is 3 now. Okay. Is equals to this one. Minus as it is. Okay. Minus 6 plus 3. Minus 3. Minus 3 backside again. Minus. That is it becomes what here? Plus 3 now. Okay. Next one. A22 now. A22 is positive. Delete which row, which column? First, second row, second column. Second row, second column. Then 2 into minus 2. Minus 4. 3 3s are 9. That is minus 9. Minus 4 minus 9. Minus 13. A22 is over. Go for what here? 823. Right. Take it is A23 is positive or negative? Negative. Delete which row, which column? Second row, third column. Then 2 into minus 1. Minus 2 minus 3 3s are. That is 9. Okay. Minus 2 minus 9. Minus 11. Minus into minus. Is minus 11. So therefore minus into minus. That is plus 11 now. Right. Confusion is neat. That is minus as it is minus 3. Minus 3 becomes what here? Plus 3 now. Right. Next one. A23 is over. Then go for what? A31 now. A31 is positive now. Right. Third row. First column. Then 3 ones are 3 now. Right. Minus into plus. Minus. Minus into minus. Plus 2 3s are 6 now. 6 plus 3. That is 9. Okay. Take up next A32. A32 is what? Negative. Delete third row. Second column. Third row. Second column. Then 2 ones are 2. Minus 1 3s are 3 now. What is the term? 2 minus 3 now. 2 minus 3. This one negative as it is. 2 minus 3 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 becomes plus 1 now. Right. This last one is A33 is positive. Delete third row. Third column. Third row. Third column. Then 2 into minus 2. Minus 4. Okay. Minus 1 3s are 3 now. Minus 4 minus 3. That is minus 7. Take a cofactor values here. A11 5. Kata A12 5. A13 is 5 now. Okay. Next A21 3. A22 minus 13. A33 11. Okay. A31 9. A32 1. A33 minus 7. Now it is which matrix? Cofactor matrix. Right. Then find out again next one is its adjoint now. Right. Take transpose of cofactors of the matrix. That is adjoint here. Right. Then A becomes what here? Adjoint of A is equals to now is equals to. Right. First row becomes first column. First row becomes first column now. That is 5 5 and it is 5 now. Second row becomes second column. 3 minus 13 and it is 11 now. Third row becomes third column. Right. Then 9 1 7. That is 9 minus 9 1. That is minus 7 now. Okay. This which one? The adjoint of A1. Right. Take a inverse formula here. A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A is a formula here. 1 divided by determinant of A, that is 40. Okay, take this 40 value into adjoint of A, meaning again same matrix now. That is 5 3 9 again 5 minus 13 1 and 5 11 minus 7 now. Minus 7. Okay, it is which answer? Which answer? A inverse answer now, right? Then take a matrix method formula, that is x is equals to A inverse into B now. X is equals to A inverse into B. X is equals to A inverse into B now. Okay. Take a x meaning a variables x, y, z are the variables is equals to A inverse answer. Okay, take a, that is 1 divided by 40 into now into, that is 5, 3, 9, 5 minus 13, that is 1, next 5, 11 minus 7 now, okay, into B meaning up, that is a constant now, 5 minus 4, 3 now, that is a 5 minus 4, 3 now, 5 minus 4, 3, okay. Take up, that is a x, y, z is equals to, that is 1 divided by 40, okay, into now, multiply these two matrix, right? First row, first column, second row, first column, third row, first column, okay. 5 5s are 25, okay. Next plus into minus, minus, 3 4s are 12, plus into plus, plus, 9 3s are 27. Next 5 5s are 25, minus into minus, plus 13 4s are 52, plus into plus, plus 3 1s are 3 now. Third row, first column, 5 5s are 25, okay. 11 4s are 44, which 44? Minus 44, minus into plus, minus 7 3s are 21. So therefore, that is a x y z is equals to, okay, x y z is equals to, right, is equals to 1 divided by 40, keep as it is into now, right? Now simplify this one. 25 minus 12 plus 27, 40 answer. Data 40 now. Same as the second one. 25 plus 52 plus 3, maybe it is 80. 80. Okay, 80. Next the third one, the minus 25 minus 44 minus 21, minus 40. Minus 40. Okay, that is a minus 40 now. Minus 40. Right. Then see here. Again x y z is equals to divide. That is 40 for all the elements. Data it becomes, see here, 40 by 40. Next 80 by 40. Next minus 40 divided by 40 now. Right. So then x y z is equals to, now cancel it up. 41 is 1. It is 2 and it is a minus 1 now. So therefore x value is 1 and y value is 2 and z value is it is a minus 1, right? This accurately now solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ correct ಅದನ್ನ wrong ಅದನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. Take up, that is the first equation now. What is the first equation? 3x plus 2x, okay, that is 2x plus 3y plus 3z ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ 5 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, 2 into x meaning 1 plus 3 into y meaning 2 plus z 3 into z meaning minus 1 now. 2 1s are 2 plus 2 3s are 6 plus into minus minus 1 3 1s are 3 now. 2 plus 6 are 8 minus 3 that is a 5 now. Verified. So therefore the answer is what here? Correct now. Okay, right now. Right. Take up, that is question number 14. Solve the system of equations using again that old matrix method. There are given 3 linear equations here. Right. This question asked in 2014, 17 and 18 now. That is 5 marks of question. Okay. Take up, that is matrix A. That is matrix A is equals to, that is coefficient of what? X, Y, Z now. 1 minus 1. 2 and here 3, okay, 4 and that is minus 5. Next one 2 minus 1 and it is 3 now. Okay, it is which matrix? Coefficient of x, y, z now. Take up x now. X meaning variables now. How many variables there are? 3 variables now. X, y, z now. B meaning that is the constants here. What are the constants? 7, that is minus 5 and it is 12 now. Right. Take up first find out. Okay, we know that that is x is equals to A inverse into B is a matrix method. We have to find out A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A into, that is the adjoint of A now. Okay. First we have to find out the determinant of A is what here. Okay. Take determinant of A is equals to A11 is positive. Take plus 1. Get it up? First row, first column. 4 3s are 12. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. 1 5s are 5. Plus. Okay. A12 element is negative. That negative one, this one negative. Minus into minus. Okay. Plus now. No doubt plus here. Plus 1 into delta. First row, second column. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. 2 5s are, that is 10 now. Okay. Plus A13 element is 2 now. 1 3 element. Delete first row, third column. 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Okay. Minus 2 4s are, that is 8 now. Okay. And then determinant of A is equals to 1 into 12 minus 5, 7. Okay. Plus 1 into 9 minus 10, that is 19. Plus 2 into minus 3 minus 8, minus 11 now. Right? Minus 3 minus 8, minus 11. Determinant of A is equals to 1 7 7 now, plus 19 1 19, plus into minus minus 11 2 22 now. Then determinant of A is equals to 19 plus 20, 19 plus 7 minus 22. It becomes what here? 4 now. Which 4? Plus 4. Right? No doubt. Then go for what here? Next bit is cofactors now. Okay. Take up the cofactors of first one element, that is A11. A11 is positive. Delete first row, first column now. Right? First row, first column. Right? 4 3s are 12. 12. Minus into minus, plus. Plus into minus, minus. 1 5s are 5. What is the answer? Total answer? 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 meaning 7. Right? Next A12 now. A12 element is positive or negative? Negative. Delete first row, second column. First row, second column. Then 3 3s are 9. 9. Okay. By plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. 2 5s are 10. What is the answer? 9 plus 10. 9 plus 10 meaning 19. It is which 19? Minus 19 now. That is minus 19. Right. Next A13 is positive or negative? Positive. Delete first row, third column. First row, third column. Then 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Okay, right on here. Minus 3 now. Okay. First row, third column. Minus 3. Minus 2 4s are 8. Minus 3 minus 8 minus 11 now. Minus 11. Right. Take A21 now. A21 is positive or negative? Negative. Delete second row, first column. Second row, first column. Minus into plus, minus. 1 3s are 3 now. Which 3? That is minus 3. Minus into plus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. 1 2s are 2 now. Which 2? Plus 2. Okay, plus 2. Right. That is minus as it is into. Minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1, minus it becomes plus 1 now. Right. Take up A22. A22 is positive. Delete second row, second column. Second row, second column. Then corner elements are there. 1 3s are 3. Minus 2 2s are 4. 3 minus 4 now. 3 minus 4 meaning minus 1 now. Right. Take A23. A23 is positive or negative? Negative. Right. Delete second row, third column. Second row, third column. 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Minus 1. Okay. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus, plus. 2 1s are 2. Which 2? Plus 2. Right. See here. 2 minus 1 1. Which one? Minus 1 now. Right. Next A31 now. A31 is positive. Delete third row, first column. Minus into minus, plus. 1 5s are 5. Minus 4 2s are 8. What is the answer? 5 minus 5 minus 8. 5 minus 8 meaning minus 3 now. Right. Take A32. A32 is negative now. Third row, second column. 1 into minus 5, minus 5. Okay. Minus 3 2s are 6. Okay. This negative keep as it is minus 5 minus 6 that is minus 11. Minus 11 into that is minus it becomes what here? Plus 11. Right. That is last element A33 is positive now. Delete third row, third column. Third row, third column. Then 1 4s are 4. Okay. 1 4s are 4. Plus into minus, minus. Minus into minus plus. 3 1s are 3. 4 plus 3, 7 now. Okay. Now take up all the cofactors list here. That is A is equals to A11 7, A12 minus 19, A13 minus 11, A21 1, A22 minus 1, A23 minus 1, A31 minus 3, A32 11, A33 that is a 7 now. Okay, I got try ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಉಂಟದಾ? Okay, next take a adjoint now. Right, adjoint of A is equals to, that is the transpose of cofactors of the matrix here. Okay, transfer this one T now. Okay, then first row becomes first column, right, that is 7. Okay, next minus 19, next minus 19 and minus 11 now. Second row becomes second column, 1 minus 1 minus 1. Then after minus 3, 11 and 7 now, right, 7. Okay, now adjoint is over. Take up inverse formula here. A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A 4, right, into adjoint of A meaning same matrix only again. 7 1 minus 3, next minus 19 minus 1 11, next minus 11 minus 1 and it is a 7 here. Okay, next one the take up matrix method, that is x is equals to A inverse into B. Now x meaning variables x y z variable is equals to A inverse this one, that's now 1 divided by 4 into adjoint, that is 7 1 minus 3, next minus 19, okay, minus 1 11, okay, minus 1 11, next minus 11 minus 1 and it is 7. It is A inverse answer into B meaning constants. Now what are the constants? 7 minus 5 12, okay, 7 minus 5 and it is a 12. 7 minus 5 12, right. Then x y z keep as it is equals to 1 divided by 4 into now, right. Now multiply first row first column, then what is the answer? First row first column, 7 7 ja 49, okay, next plus into minus 1 5 is 5, minus into plus minus 13, 12 is 36 now. Okay, ಯಾರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಬರ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ into plus minus 19 7 जा 133 now. Okay, next minus into minus plus 1 5 जा 5 plus into plus plus 12 into 11 into 12 132 now at 132. Next second row first column minus into plus minus 11 7 जा 77 minus into minus plus 1 5 जा 5 plus 12 7 जा or maybe 7 12 जा, it is 84 now. Okay, then x y z is equals to, that is 1 divided by 4 into now, right. Simplify this one. 49 minus 5 minus 36 which term? Plus 8. Okay, that is plus 8. Next minus 133 plus 5 plus 32 plus 4. Next minus 77 plus 5 plus 84 plus 12. Okay, plus 12 now, right. Then multiply 1 by 4 for all the elements. Then it becomes x y z is equals to, okay, that is 8 divided by 4, then after 4 by 4, then after 12 divided by 4 now. Then x y z is equals to, see here 4 1 जा 4 2 जा 4 1 जा 4 1 जा get cancel, 4 1 जा 4 3 जा get cancel. So therefore x is equals to 2, y is equals to 1 and z is equals to 3 now, right. This is exactly correct ಅಂತ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Take up, that is equation number 1, first linear equation x minus y plus 2z is equals to answer what? 7, right. Substitute all the values here. X value 2 minus y value minus 1 plus 2 into z value 3 now, right. Next 2 minus 1 plus 2 3 is 6 now. 6 plus 2 8 minus 1 that is 7 now, right. Now it is verified. So therefore x y z values are what here correct now. Okay, right now.